Hi, it's Jason from Jason's Jungle. Inspired by Steve from Green Side Up and watching his video about his new polytunnel, I decided to have a look in my shed. And, well, I'll show you what I found in the stuck in the corner. Here we have the frame, and I believe the cover for a small polytunnel. I think it's about 6 by 8. This was given to me by a friend of my mother's, whose husband left his allotment last year or the year before and didn't want to leave the polytunnel, so they decided to give it to me. But I didn't have the time or the space at the time to put it up, so it went in the corner of the shed. And I might as well put it up now, there's no harm in it. It may last the season, it may not, but it was free and it should give us a little bit of a helping hand with growing toms and stuff. Okay, I thought I'd lost a couple of pieces there. I was missing one of these cross bits, and then I thought I was missing one of these, but I've got not one of these other end pieces. But I think I have all the end pieces, because I have one for the middle, but I'm going to try putting it together and see what fits together and what doesn't, and then I'll see what bits I'm missing. Here's the problem I found. I'm missing one of these joining bits, these T-pieces. That should go on the other end of here to connect the horizontal. And it looks like some of this is, this is not that strong, so that would need reinforcing as well. Okay, so let's see if I can find the bit that's missing and what I can do about fixing it up. Okay, I had the shed inside out, everything back in again, and no, couldn't find that part. Now, although I'm certain I took it straight to the plot, I've come back and I've looked in the garage, and no, still don't have it there, so somewhere it got lost. But I found some things in the garage that I might be able to cobble together to do something useful with. So I'll tell you more about that when I've done it. Okay, so till next time, I'll see you later.